Machine in the middle is actually the name of a cyber attack where one party listens in on the communication between two other parties and maybe intercepts that communication and changes it. Except that in this project, the interception happens between the brain and the physiology or the face. What happens is that our operational system being used on the world snooker star Steve Davis, and having his brainwaves read, and the computer uses a machine learning system to try and ascertain a kind of crude approximation of his emotional state. Using electrical muscle stimulation pad stuck on his face, we can contract his muscles, so we can force his face into the rough approximation of the expression that the machine thinks they're experiencing. The machine essentially takes over the operations of his face in a fairly crude way, but it does actually work.